Good morning, grade 3. I need you to sit at your desks quietly, and I need you to grab your whiteboards, your whiteboard marker, and a Chuck's cloth. That's all you need for the first part of our mathematics lesson. All right. Olivia's doing a great job. She's showing me she's listened, she's got her equipment out, and she's ready to learn. Thomas is also sitting quietly, ready for the lesson. Thank you, grade 3. How are we feeling this morning? Give me a thumbs up, thumbs to the side, or thumbs down. So thumbs up, feeling good. Thumbs to the side, feeling tired. Thumbs down is feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so there's quite a lot of you that are feeling tired, but I think you will enjoy this next lesson. There will be an activity where we will have to take turns. So who can tell me what behaviour I expect from each student when you have to take turns? Let's call them the skills of taking turns. All right. Yep, no snatching. That's a great rule. What's another one? Respect others. Yes, absolutely. All right. Anyone else? What do you think we should do when we have an activity with others and we have to share and we have to take turns? We be patient, don't we? Yes, we be very kind. And what about the noise level? What do we want there? Yes, so no yelling. So we have the skills of taking turns. So remember, no snatching, respect others, be patient, and do not yell. I will leave this up on the board so everyone knows what we should be doing. Today we will be talking and learning more about chance. Who knows what these words mean? Yeah, they look familiar? Okay, so we will be doing a quick quiz to make sure that you understand what these words mean, because we will be using them in the lesson today. So I will be saying a sentence but leaving a word blank, and that's where you write the word on your whiteboards to show me what the word should be to complete the sentence. So you will either answer likely, unlikely, certain, or impossible. Okay, everyone's got their whiteboard and whiteboard markers ready. Okay, there is a blank chance that a kangaroo will hop into the class in the next 5 minutes. What do we think the answer is? Once you've finished writing it, show me your answer. So this one would be an unlikely chance. It's not impossible. It's not very likely, but it's unlikely. So nearly everyone got that right. Well done. Next one, there is a blank chance that the sun will rise in the morning. What do we think? All right, show me your answers. It is certain, because the sun rises every morning, doesn't it? So it's certain. A lot of you wrote likely, but those two are pretty tricky. Okay, so the next one, there is a blank chance that when you do a silly face, I will laugh. What do we think? Okay, show me your answers. Yes, it's a very likely chance that I will. All right, our last one. There is blank chance that pigs will fly. Okay, show me your answers. Yes, impossible. It wouldn't be unlikely. It would be impossible. Pigs can't fly. Great job on the quick quiz, guys. Everyone gave it a go and you did really great. You knew most of those answers. All right, so in today's lesson, we will be conducting chance experiments. So we will be pulling out balls from a bag, different coloured balls from a bag. We will be rolling a dice. We will be tossing a coin. The chance experiment of tossing a coin, that will be done independently. And this will be part of your success criteria of today's lesson. So, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to conduct a chance experiment. And you will know the chances of the coin landing on heads or tails. I have 3 different coloured balls. So green, pink, and blue. I have more in here. But I want to show you what a likely chance would be, an unlikely chance, a certain, an impossible, and impossible. And then another one that we will learn today. I'm putting 4 pink balls in the bag, 1 green, 1 blue. So, just let me don't look, because that wouldn't be chance, we would just be picking. So, a likely chance would be picking a pink. But what do we pick? There you go. It doesn't always turn out like that. Just because it's more likely doesn't mean that it's certain. Okay? So we still have the 4 pink, 1 blue, 1 green. Okay? So, actually, I'm going to take the blue out. All right. So we have 4 pink, 1 green. So it would be unlikely to pick the green, wouldn't it? Okay. Who's sitting very good? Who's been listening and following rules? Okay. John, you can pick the bag, the ball. Oh! John has picked a pink. All right. So, when we take, where's that green one? When we take the green ball out, we all have pinks in there. So, what do we think is going to happen? All pink. What are the chances of getting a pink? It would be certain, wouldn't it? So, let's check. Yep, certain. We're certain to get a pink. So, what do we think would be an impossible thing to pick out of this bag? A chicken? Yes, that would be impossible, yes. Very good. Any other answers? Yes, Conan. A green ball? Yes, absolutely. Very good. Okay, great, guys. All right, I've started with an empty bag again. So I'm going to put 2 green and 2 pink. What do we think the chances of picking a pink would be? It'd be pretty likely, wouldn't it? We've got 2. Yeah. And what about a green? We've got 2 green as well, so that's likely as well. So we have an equal chance of picking a blue or a pink or what did I put in here? A green. So that will be our 5th one. Okay? So I've written on the board, you could either say equally likely, so it'd be equally likely to pick a pink or a green ball from the bag, or you have an equal chance of picking either a pink ball or a green ball. The next phase of the lesson will be we do the guided practice. In this part, the rolling dice chance experiment will happen. They will be rolling the dice 30 times. This allows another conversation around equal chance to happen. The teacher will also address misconceptions such as rolling a 6 is more difficult to do. They might think it's less likely or unlikely to roll a 6. The teacher will pose questions and in group students will discuss. The class will then come together with students hopefully having a better understanding. The table of possible outcomes will be displayed on the interactive board. Each student will get a chance to roll the dice. The seating arrangements of the class is 5 groups of tables with 6 students at each. This will allow the teacher to go to each group. This will be the dice that they will be using. It's foam, so it'll be more quiet. There will be a student helper. This will either be a gifted student or a student who has been following rules, displaying positive behaviours. They will assist in inputting the data into the table. And then after that, after the experiment, there will be another discussion around like equal chance doesn't mean equal outcome, equal results. The you do phase, which is the formative assessment, will be students conducting a coin toss experiment. They will use a coin flipper simulator on their laptops. They will be given a worksheet with a table where they input the data. They will toss the coin 20 times. They also have to write down the chances of getting either a heads or a tails. They have to use one of these keywords to fill in the blank. The success criteria is also on the worksheet, so that is reiterated of what they're supposed to know and do. Once they have completed the sheet, they are handed back to the teacher. During the independent practice, the teacher will monitor students and be available to answer questions and offer support. How did everyone go conducting their chance experiment? Right, thumbs up. I feel confident I achieved the success criteria. Thumbs aside. I'm unsure if I achieved the success criteria. I have more questions to ask. Or thumbs down. I feel I do not know what I'm supposed to be doing. I need more support. That's great, guys. All thumbs up. Well done. So the success criteria was I am able to conduct a chance experiment, and I know the chances of the coin landing on heads or tails. Thumbs up, thumbs down, sideways, how do we feel about success criteria? Yeah. Did we enjoy doing the chance experiments? Yeah, we did like it. We want to do more? All right. So, feel confident doing more. That's awesome, guys.